If you are having a challenge in solving statistical assignment task, or you are very busy, want to be assisted, you can always contact me. For example, this is chi-square test. Chi-square test is normally used to find the relationship between the two variables again, and the goodness of it, we have the, you must state the null hypothesis, H naught. H naught, you say mu is equal to 0. HA, this is alternative hypothesis, our mean is not equal to 0. After stating it, you are going to find what is termed as degree of freedom. Okay, degree of freedom. How do we get the degree of freedom? Finding the degree of freedom is very easy. It is normally n and not n, row minus 1, then you multiply colon minus 1. Okay, that is how we get the degree of freedom. And again, you need to have what is termed as alpha. In most cases, alpha is normally given as 5%. So that when you are finding the tabulated chi-square tabulated, meaning that you use a table, chi-square table. Use this chi-square table. Let me generate it first so that you are able to see it. Can use this chi-square table. So the reason why you saw me finding out the degree of freedom here, row minus 1, colon minus 1, you'll be using this chi-square table. So if row minus 1 and colon minus 1, you get maybe your answer to be 7. This is where your degree of freedom you will lie. Okay, let me try to highlight it. That's 7. Let me use highlight. Maybe green is okay. So that's 7, correct. Now, what will happen to this where it is written chi 0.995 up to 0.05? If it is 5% alpha, we take 5 over 100, which is the same as 0.005. So you come here, you find where 0.05 is, so 7 is 0.05. You will move along that row up to that column, so that means it is 20.278. From there you will use the formula of chi-square calculated, which is given as summation of all observed variables minus expected variables squared all over expected variables. So if you get your chi-square calculated being higher than the chi-square tabulated, you used your statistical skill to make your own conclusion. Again, if chi-square tabulated is higher than the chi-square calculated, you also make your own conclusion. For more information, contact me through this number. I'm going to attach this number plus my email address so that in case you have a challenge, you can always contact me. Bye bye.